Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to save Snapchat video to gallery. So first of all, open Snapchat account. Before started the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. First of all, click on to profile icon. Look at the right corner, tap onto setting icon, scroll down, click onto memories. After that, click on save button, select the second option, go back, and now I'm record a video. Click on to video option, and shown here to save option, click on save. And now I'm checking my gallery. Okay, now successfully save Snapchat video in my gallery. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.